Hi, my name is Zhou. I'm a data scientist. I'm the creator and instructor of the course Oracle SQL for Data Science. In this course, I'm going to share my experience of using SQL to perform data science projects, and also I will talk about the best practices. I have over 20 years of experience building predictive models for companies in the United States and in Canada. The results that I produced were very good. They saved clients over $200 million. I was involved in 3 competitions to build predictive models. Fortunately, I have won them all. I was a developer at Oracle building analytics product. I'm a vice president at a bank doing fraud detection using analytics. I'm the chief data scientist at Library. I also founded a number of analytics companies. In the course, I will talk about a number of topics. Why SQL for data science? Since we already have many languages such as R, Python, SAS, SPSS, why SQL? Then I will talk about typical tasks for data science project. These tasks usually take about 80% of the project time. They include data validation, understanding, data cleansing, preparation, and feature variable calculation. All those tasks can be done using SQL. And at the end of the course, I will give summaries and highlights. During the course, in addition to talking about SQL skills, I will also share my best practices when I'm performing data science project, so that in your future project you will be able to become more efficient, making less mistakes, better managing your data and your code, and be stress-free when doing those tasks. So in this course, you will learn Oracle SQL skills and best practices for data science and data analytics tasks. Hopefully, you will become a better data scientist or data analyst after taking the course. Thank you.